Good morning everybody. Following on from our video last time when we travelled from the UK to Peru, we're now in Cusco in Peru, ready to do Rainbow Mountain.
Right here in Cusco, the altitude is 3,400 metres, and hopefully if we get to the top of Rainbow Mountain we'll be at about 5,000 metres. And yeah, there's no acclimatisation, so this could be interesting because we literally flew in. We got to this hotel 6 hours ago.
It's 4:30 AM and we need to get a move on because we're getting picked up right now. It is 7:30 in the morning now and we have not long started the trail. Yeah, we were picked up from Cusco at 4:30 and had breakfast at about 6 o'clock, so all fueled up.
The drive in was pretty cool as well, and the last hour we spent on like dirt roads going through little communities with big sheer drops next to us, and we saw our first alpacas.
But yeah, you're supposed to acclimatise for a day in Cusco before you come and do this hike, but because we're really limited with time, that's why we're doing Rainbow Mountain the day after we land. Well, near enough 8 to 10 hours after we land, so I can really feel the altitude at the minute. I don't feel sick or anything, thankfully, it's just the breathing, but we have been taking diamox and we're drinking plenty of water, so hopefully we'll make it to the top with no problems.
It's actually a lot quieter than what I expected, maybe not so when we get to the top, if we get to the top. But yeah, the path is fairly straightforward. This is what we got.
So our guide Odan, he's just told us that we're about the halfway point now. Would you say we're about 4,500 metres above sea level?
We are here over 4,900 meters above sea level.
Wow!
And we still have around 200 more meters to go up to the summit.
Wow! Yeah, so...
And you are still surviving.
Yeah, we're still okay, out of breath, but we're still going.
So if you can see on this path just below me there's a horse. There is also the option for an extra fee, of course, from the starting point to go most of the way up on a horse. This is for us bucket list. We do not do horses if we don't have to. Fingers crossed. So it does feel really weird. So obviously we gained elevation from the car, probably somewhere around 400-300 meters, but we did the first mile in 25 minutes. Now that's not much quicker than what we do hiking back at home on sea level, but the altitude feels a lot different to other altitudes I've been in. I don't know whether that's because we're closer to the equator. Hannah, bless her, she's just chatting to Odo, getting some of that Espanol in, extending her vocab and confidence, which is really good. Something we wanted to experiment on this trip, and so far muy bien, muy bien. The GoPro isn't probably going to pick this up, but there, you can see my finger. That is where we're going to the viewpoint. It's looking a lot busier up there, but yeah, this is a scale of what the remainder of the path is going to have in store for us.
How are you feeling? You feeling good?
All things considered, I'm feeling good. I'm just surprised at how easy it's been to get to this point, 1.5 miles in. E2.
Yeah, it's just surprising that when we did EBC in Kilimanjaro, we was literally acclimatising to get to this height, and we've just like come straight to it after being here for what, 12 hours after getting to bed. Mental.
Yeah, not even 12 hours.
Not even 12 hours. Just look at this scenery though. Wow.
Necesito agua muy importante.
Necesito agua. Cinco minutos, por favor.
Yeah, and you can, there's like a little hut here where you can buy like snacks, water, if you like, so you don't have to worry about anything of that. If you're watching this video because you're thinking of coming and doing this hike.
We are so close to reaching the top now, just taking it slowly, but yeah, we'll get there. Luckily no headaches or sickness, so I think the diamox that we started taking in the UK has definitely helped. It's just going so slow but feeling like you've done a spin class or a HIIT session or something.
Oh. We've got to the bit where the final push is about to start. Incredible background behind me. This way, got alpacas, llamas, and that's where we're going to go in a bit. But first, we've got our first glimpse of Rainbow Mountain that we're going to look at, and that's just behind me there. And whether it's picking up, yes, it is. Oh wow! Feels like an accomplishment already.
The llamas have got glasses on. Because their eyes need to be protected too.
The summit is just there. Cuando es taxi aquí, por favor. Montana Vinacunca. Completed it, mate. Never mind Rainbow Mountain, check out the snow-capped Andes right behind. Incredible. I mean, it's not what I expected. There you go, you got the title for the video right there. But what I mean is, I was expecting it to be one of these things, a bit like the Northern Lights, where you see it, but what you see when you're being sold it, what you see on YouTube and Google, is this heavily edited photo or video, but no, that's real, that is, and I wasn't expecting that. It's blown me away, and as well, it's a little bit touristy, but nowhere near as much as what I expected, so we're on a winner today.
It's absolutely stunning. Like Nath said, it's just blown me away as well. Like, I didn't expect the colours to be so vivid to the naked eye as what you see on the photos before you come here. But this has been on our bucket list now for over 6 years, because this was a trip that we originally had planned for 2020. We booked it in 2019, so it just feels so, it just feels so cool, doesn't it, being here? Like, we actually made it to Rainbow Mountain, and the weather is glorious.
Should we go down?
Yeah, let's go down. I don't think we'll be out of breath walking down, will we?
No.
Do you want to come in as well?
So we have found out that it is these colours because of the mixture of the minerals. There's gold, iron and all sorts in there. But what's also amazed me is we found out that it was only discovered in 2012. So it's quite modern, and I feel like it's been on our bucket list from
doing 10 steps.
A few years after that. So what happened was, it was a glacier, and with global warming and everything, the glacier has melted, and someone was walking past and was like, ooh, look at those colours, Montana de Cinco Colores. And then, yeah, 2013, it became an attraction.
We are heading back down to the car now, ready to be taken out for lunch, so we're really lucky, and then back to our hotel. We are ending this video here after just having a nice hike up to Rainbow Mountain. Just so impressive, I can't believe it. It's one of the best things I've seen when we've been travelling.
Yes, we've done this trip with Machu Picchu Terra. Basically, we contacted our hotel and they sorted everything out for us, but it's been absolutely fantastic, very friendly, very chill, hasn't it? Yeah.
Yep, yeah, highly recommend Machu
Yeah.
Picchu Terra.
So we'll put a link in the description for anyone who's watching this video that may want to book on this trip, and we'll see you next time when
We go and do the Inca Trail. That's what we're doing next. That'll be in the next video. We're so excited for that.
So if you like this video, why not give us a thumbs up and tune in next time when we trek the Inca Trail. Bye bye.